Magandang araw po mga bro, mga katoto, mga bayangkerista. Welcome po muli sa aking channel, sa aking pag-upload. Ang next na upload ko po na videos ay karera po ni Rising Sun. 4 na karera na lang po natitira sa tapes ko, kaya po pagdidikit-dikitin ko na po ang pag-upload sa kanya. At sa pong kabayong to Rising Sun ay pag-ari po ni Atty. Joy Rojas, boss ko po yan. Ang first na laban niya ay Sun Dancer Plate Race. Ang second ay Gilbis Gene Stakes Race. Ang pangatlo po, Sun God Handicap Stakes Race. Yung pangapat naman, Founders Cup Stakes Race. Yung po unang video ay ganap noong August 6, 1995. At yung pong tatlo ay puro 1996 na. Yung pong huli Founders Cup, ang ganda-ganda po nun. Ating abangan po yan. At ang tawag ko po sa segment na ito ay Rising Sun Marathon Race. Panoorin po natin.
They're all inside right now. Race number 12. Race number 12, the Philippine Racing Commission's Sun Dancer Plate Race, and they're off. Early lead is taken by Pay D. Clay, followed by Rising Sun Tonyan, and running the tail of the field. Into the drive for the first time, Pay D. Clay takes up the running by some 2 lengths, followed by Rising Sun, and Tonyan then on the outside in third. Passing before the judges stand, Pay D. Clay in command by length Tonyan, and on the outside in second, running in third is Rising Sun. And as the horses gallop along the grandstand, Pay D. Clay still in command by a length, followed by Tonyan, and Rising Sun running the tail of the field. It is still Pay D. Clay in command by a length, followed by Rising Sun and Tonyan, and running in third by a length. And now entering the bike stretch. Into the bike they travel. It's still Pay D. Clay, the leader by some 2 lengths, followed by Rising Sun. And running in third by a length is Tonyan. Nena, half a mile to go. It is still Pay D. Clay in command by some 2.5 lengths, followed by Rising Sun. And Tonyan, Nena running in third. Nearing the further, it is still Pay D. Clay in command by some 2.5 lengths. And Rising Sun, Tonyan, Nena remains in third. Rounding the further, it is still Pay D. Clay in command by some 3 lengths now. Rising Sun remains in second, and Tonyan, Nena running in third. And past the 400-meter mark, it is still Pay D. Clay in command by some 2 lengths. Rising Sun remains in second, and running in third is Tonyan, Nena. At the last break, it is still Pay D. Clay in command by a length, and Rising Sun on the outside. It is still Pay D. Clay and Rising Sun on the outside. Pay D. Clay and Rising Sun on the outside. Pay D. Clay and Rising Sun on the outside. Pay D. Clay and Rising Sun, and finally at the top line, it's Rising Sun, Pay D. Clay. And it's being let in. Only entry number 4, Pine G. They'll be ready in a very short while. The second leg of the Gilbis Gene Stakes Race. They are all in. Racing, catching the front position is Green Tempo by the wheel. Green Tempo leading the pack, followed by Rising Sun, Panji at the other outside. And running by the first Sky, Giant Killer trailing the group. Passing before the judges stand for the first time, Green Tempo, followed now by Panji, running in third is Rising Sun. First Skies at the wheel, and Giant Killer. Rounding the clubhouse when Green Tempo violent, followed now by Panji, rushing up at the interval is First Skies, and Rising Sun on the outside, and behind them is Giant Killer by rounds. And into the back straight, it's still Green Tempo and Panji on the outside, while in third by 2 lengths is Rising Sun. Giant Killer moving up now in third. First Skies drops back to fourth. The half mile straight, it's still Green Tempo, one of a long shot by half a length. A great gallow for Panji. Panji on the outside, Rising Sun, Giant Killer also rushing up. It's still Green Temple by half a length, Panji, Rising Sun and Giant Killer. Arbitrary 8 mile post, Green Temple by half a length, Panji on the outside, Rising Sun closing in third. It's still entry number 3, Green Temple and Panji on the outside. And at the last bank for home, Green Temple running by the Panji on the outside, Rising Sun in between horses. Green Temple once again by the rail. It's Green Temple, Panji, Rising Sun in between horses. Four entries fighting it out for the lead. Rising Sun available, Panji on the outside. It's Rising Sun running by the rail. It's still Rising Sun, Panji and Fair Skies. And at the top line, Rising Sun, Fair Skies, Panji, Green Temple, Giant Killer.
Fair start. Ready now, set. Sun God handicap, 1600 meters is the journey. Darofa, and the leader in the early part of the race, a Giant Killer, Rising Sun moving up on the outside as the horses gallop along the grandstand the first time, and Rising Sun takes up the running by a length and a half, and running second Giant Killer, but then by Out to Conquer, Fair Start running the tail of the field. Past the winning post the first time, Rising Sun is the leader by some 2.5 lengths. Running second is Giant Killer, Fair Start running in third around the outside, while running the tail of the field is Out to Conquer. And as they leave the straight, it is still Rising Sun, the leader by a length and a half, and moving up along the inside, Out to Conquer. For then by Giant Killer, Fair Start now running the tail of the field. Into the bike they travel, Rising Sun, Giant Killer moving up now on the outside to take the lead. It is now Giant Killer, the leader by a length, and running in second is Rising Sun, down in third by a length, Fair Start, Out to Conquer running the tail of the field. Midway down the bike, it is still Giant Killer, the leader by some 2 lengths. Running second is Rising Sun, and running third by another length is Fair Start. Out to Conquer is still running the tail of the field. Nearing the far turn, Giant Killer, Rising Sun on the outside. At the far turn, Giant Killer still the leader by a length, and running second is Rising Sun, and down in third is Fair Start. Out to Conquer still running the tail of the field, and running towards the 400, the 2 horses fighting it out for the lead. Giant Killer, Rising Sun on the outside. At the last bend for him, Giant Killer, Rising Sun on the outside. At the last bend for him, it is now Rising Sun, the leader by some 2 lines now. At the top of the stretch and nearing the fourth line, it is still Rising Sun. Rising Sun leads by some 3 lines, and at the fourth line it's Rising Sun. Going second, a long shot.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
The 19 Founders Cup. Racing out in front, it's taken by American Dancer and Come Like You rushing out to take the lead. It's Come Like You, American Dance, Grand 40, far cheap on the padded outside. And into the drive for the first time, 3 entries matching their stripe on the padded outside is far cheap, Come Like You, Grand Party in between horses. Rising Sun running in third by 4, this American Dance, first start Out to Conquer, trailing the group. Down the stretch for the first time, Come Like You, they know real Grand Party on the outside. Fire Chief running in third, and in third American Dancer. Passing the 30 judge stand, there is still entry number 2, Come Like You, they know real Grand Party on the outside. While in third by 4, Fire Chief, American Dancer, Rising Sun. Pale start, and behind them by 7 lengths out to Concur. And it still come like you are being away by 11 on the outside. Is Grand Party keep on matching their strides, but it still come like you by 11 Grand Party, and second into by Portland's Parchop, and rushing up on the outside Rising Sun American Dancer. Adi half mile start, it still come like you by 2 lengths followed now by Parchop, and on the outside is Grand Party. American Dancer sneaking by the on the outside is Rising Sun. It's now far cheap in the lead, and moving out on the outside is Rising Sun. And rounding the quarter, Rising Sun moving out now to break the cover like you once again to take segment. And into on the outside is Pure Start. American Dancer sneaking by the rail. And then once again the onset Rising Sun and come like you one again second. American Dancer sneaking by the rail. But it's still Rising Sun by the rail, come like you. American Dancer in between horses. And it's still Rising Sun, American Dancer on the outside. But it's still Rising Sun, the little battle. American Dancer running on second. And at the top line is something number 7. Rising Sun, American Dancer. First start out to control, come like you, Parchop, and Grand 30.
And I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't want to tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go.
Ng 4 na karera ni Rising Sun, ang gaganda di po ba? Alam po niyo itong si Rising Sun, isa po ito sa nagbigay sa akin ng napakagandang break sa karerahan. Dito po ako nagsimula kay Atty. Joe Rojas at hanggang ngayon po ay nasa kanya ako sa kanyang opisina. Ang gaganda po, di po ba? Anyway, dito po tayo sa mga magpapa-shoutouts. Shoutouts po, Inigo and Ethan Saberon, Paul Reyes, Egay Prudencio and Asak Boys of Santa Mesa, Nessie Abuan of Santiago, Ilocos Sur, Ben Ong, Romeo Ragos, and belated happy birthday to Aileen Ragos, Master Gulang, Ledor Bonicarlo and Rodel Habok, Mark Ruiz and Aaron Viray of Billing and Claims of San Lazaro Hospital, Bong and Jing Ragos from Japan, RJ Karatips and his father Fred, Richard Diaz Daiz from Kuwait, Ramosito Rhea, Sir Frederick Javil sa kanyang mga programa. Sir Fred, maraming salamat po sa mga programa na pinapahiram sa akin. Kay Joshua sa aking video editor, thank you very much Josh. At kay Lori and Julius, thank you very much sa mga suporta. Until next upload, God bless.